Hey, check this out. Here I have my website. Let me show you what I'm about. This is the website, right? A normal website with my knowledge, with my posts, with my technical. What I have in here is stuff that I'm calling a reactive project with AI, embedded with AI code assistant. Oh, I didn't come up, I didn't come to a name yet, but the idea is that I have one piece of data. This piece of data is the central piece of the website, right? In this case, the central piece is my curriculum, my resume, right? Here I have my name, I have my job description, role, I have all the experiences that I had throughout my career. I have a bio, I have the technical skills defined, and I have everything else that we have in a website. What I wanted with this is every time that I learn a new thing, I need to go to the website, I need to change my curriculum, I need to change it, save it in a PDF file, I need to go to the component and update it. Even with AI, it's a lot of tokens just to do the same thing. Because the thing is, AI will can make us more productive, but at the same time, if every time I need to repeat myself on creating tokens or prompting to spending tokens, what's the point, right? It's just more money at the end of the day. What I did here is this reactive things. I use something that Keto have, but I know that Cursor, VS Code, all IDE, all of this great IDEs, the big players in the market right now, does the same. In Kiro, they call hooks, agent hooks, right? Cursor is hooks, and VS Code, I didn't remember the name, but the thing is doing the same. If we open this guy over here, we can see here that is a configuration file that listen to changes in files and react to that. This is give you a glimpse in what exactly this is, what will happen now. Every time that I change something in my resume.md file, I I have an automation that create a new version of the PDF from my curriculum, and at the same time create scan the website components to know where that information, if that is that information happens in any type of a component, and change that. I will give you an example right now. I just add the linear Notion Jira here, but I wanted to add in databases. I wanted to add here the NoSQL technology, the NoSQL language. Redis is the good thing. Redis. I will add Redis, right? I will add, I think that's better solution suggestions. I'm going to add this in here, and you can see here that's not saved yet. But when I save this guy, what happens next is this. It will run this script. And you can see here that it's running already. It's parsing the resume file, found all the experiences, skills, and it's reading the file entirely. And then you can see the new version of the resume is saved here in this file. I cannot open here in Kiro, but I will open next. But also, what we're going to see is that it will look through the using the AI assistant, of course, look through the exactly components and change that information upon the right component, so that it's pre-configured, so it knows the hero content and what is inside the hero content. It knows what is in this, for instance, experience. It knows what goes in here. That will be changing and adding a new right here. I'm going to run the project and show you. Right now, the project is running here on port 3002, and you can see here that it added Redis as the component, the new database, and the one that I just added, the linear notion and Jira. That that is something that it took me just a minute. If I get a new certification, or if I want to remove or add something or change something in my resume, it's just a matter of changing in one place, and the entire application reacts for that matter. This is a basic setup, but it's very powerful in a database. See you around.